How to add a PDF document to the Books app on your iPhone. So if you've downloaded a PDF, I'm going to show you how to add this to the Books on your phone. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you've downloaded the PDF and saved it in the Files app. So you can see right here on my files, you need to make sure the PDF is saved in this folder. So you can click on the back arrow in the top left-hand side. And if you go and select on my iPhone, you need to make sure the PDF document is already saved to here. Now, once you have saved the PDF document onto your phone, you can simply go and open up the document like so. Now just click on the share icon in the bottom right-hand side. You can then scroll across the list of applications and select more. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Books. As you can see, it will now open the PDF document in the Apple Books. If you come back over to the previous window, you can then click on Library at the bottom of the page, and here you'll find all of your books. Now to go and filter this to PDF documents, you can click on the navigation bar, and then you can go and select PDFs, and this will show you all of the PDFs you have saved on the Apple Books app.